before I ever used a budgeting app. Before I knew about financial tools or money templates, I sat down with nothing but a notebook and a pen. And for the first time ever, I finally saw where my money was actually going. Welcome back to Moneytraq, where every dollar counts. If budgeting is about planning your money, then spending tracking is about seeing your money in action. And today, I'm going to show you how to track your spending with no apps, no tech, and no complicated systems. Just one method that's worked for me and might just work for you too. Start with any notebook, notepad, or even a sheet of paper. At the top, write down the date range you're tracking. For example, August 1st to August 31st. Then make 4 columns. Date, what you bought, category, like food, transport, or subscriptions, and amount. That's it. That's your spending tracker. Now, for the next 30 days, every time you spend money, write it down. Whether it's cash, card, or online, log it immediately or keep the receipt and log it later that day. Don't judge yourself. Just write it down. Coffee, snacks, Uber, your Spotify subscription. The point is to build the habit of awareness. Once a week, take 10 minutes to look over what you spent. Highlight or mark anything that surprises you. Ask yourself, was this necessary? Did this bring value? Would I spend on this again? You're not fixing anything yet. You're just learning how you spend. At the end of the month, group your expenses by category and total each one. For example, food, $420. Transport, $150. Subscriptions, $60. Impulse or unplanned spending, $180. Savings, maybe $0. This is the moment where most people go, no wonder I can't save. Now that you know your patterns, you can start making intentional changes. Maybe you cut down on food deliveries. Maybe you pause some unused subscriptions. Maybe you start setting aside $10 every Friday. Small actions start with clear awareness, and that's what this exercise is all about. You don't need fancy apps to control your spending. All you need is a notebook, a pen, and a decision to start. This one habit changed everything for me, and it can do the same for you. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start winning with your money, subscribe to Moneytraq, and in the next video, I'll show you how to create your very first budget plan in just 30 minutes. It's simple, it's real, and it's a game changer. I'll see you there.